Are you tired of those extra holiday pounds sneaking up on you every year? Well, guess what? I've got the ultimate fat loss strategies just for you. Get ready to look and feel amazing this holiday season. The holiday season is filled with joy, laughter, and most importantly, food. But what if I told you that you can enjoy the holidays without compromising your weight loss goals? In this video, we will explore holiday fat loss strategies that will help you navigate through the festivities while still staying on track. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to set our intentions and make a plan for a healthy and happy holiday season. Now, before we get started, let me ask you a question. What do the holidays mean to you? Is it all about festive parties, cherished family moments, and a delightful feast that can tempt even the strongest willpower? You see, the holiday season brings with it a whirlwind of events, family gatherings, and an abundance of mouth-watering dishes. But here's the thing. The biggest misconception is that how we feel, what we eat, and what we do are all dictated by external factors. The truth is, it's not what's happening around us. It's what's happening within us. So let's kick things off by setting our intentions. Ask yourself, what's your goal for this holiday season? Do you want to shed a few pounds, maintain your current weight, or perhaps indulge and enjoy every bite without guilt? Picture it. What's that number on the scale that makes you feel empowered at the end of the season? Here's the secret sauce, my friend. The most empowering thing you can do is to gain weight with intention and a plan. The problem isn't the food. It's gaining weight without the habit of purposeful thinking and planned actions. Think of it like this. If you maintain the habit of good thinking, you can easily swap out the food plan like changing outfits. Now let's talk about making a solid game plan. How many festive events are on your calendar? How many of those do you intend to stay on track with? For example, you might decide to indulge for Thanksgiving, stick to your plan on Christmas, and savor dessert on New Year's Eve. When making your plan, consider how you want to feel after the holidays. How many meals will you eat? How much will you eat on each plate? And most importantly, how will you fill your plate? It's helpful to have a strategy in mind, such as following a low carb or a keto approach. And don't forget to bring your own healthy dish to gatherings to help you stay on track. And let's talk about the food pushers for a minute. We all know them, right? How do you handle them? You can kindly say no, avoid them like you're dodging mistletoe, or even introduce them to your own delectable healthy dessert. And if all else fails, say you'll take some home and discreetly toss it away. If Aunt Mary gets mad at you for not eating her homemade pumpkin pie, I bet you she'll get over it by the next holiday season. Now, let's delve into the do's and don'ts of holiday eating. Do plan your food strategy at least 24 hours ahead. Will you stay low carb, embrace keto, or maybe go keto for the main meal and enjoy one dessert? Decide before you arrive. Do indulge in a high protein meal 2 to 3 hours before your gathering. It's like fortifying your defense against temptation. Do remember to drink at least 16 ounces of water before diving into your holiday feast. It's like a hydration shield against overindulgence. And for the festive cheers, stick to wine or straight liquor, but limit yourself to 2 to 3 drinks to avoid the notorious munchies. Let's talk about the don'ts. Don't just wing it or play it by ear. That rarely ends well. Be prepared for each gathering with a clear food plan. Remember, you're in control this holiday season. Don't fast all day before the gathering, as it may lead to overeating. This is the worst holiday advice I hear from other weight loss gurus. Resist the temptation to white knuckle your way from the dessert table. Instead, BYOD, bring your own dessert. If you need recipe ideas, check out my food blog at eatbefitexplore.com. Avoid overeating by listening to your body. Stop when you're about 70% full, and instead of lingering at the table, go cherish moments with your loved ones. When it comes to appetizers, don't fill up too soon. Save room for the main course. Or if the apps are irresistible, opt for veggies and protein to keep things balanced. And lastly, steer clear of sugary cocktails and punches. They can be a sugar bomb traps that sneak up on you. So there you have it, your holiday fat loss strategies all wrapped up in a bow. Remember, the holidays are about celebration, joy, and togetherness, and your approach to food should reflect that. By setting your intentions, making a plan, and following these do's and don'ts, you can navigate this season with confidence and joy. I wish you a happy holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video.